Heidi's home. Who is ready for fall? I certainly am, and I'm starting my day with the cutest cookie on my mug that come from Aldi. They are so adorable. They're like little leaves that fit on the side of your mug. Anyways, it's the simple things that make this girl really, really happy. So today we are going to start our fall day with making some baked potatoes, and I'm just putting a little bit of olive oil and salt, wrapping them in some aluminum foil, and I'm going to be putting them in the oven, and they'll take, a couple hours, in the oven to get all nice and soft. In the meantime, while those are cooking, we're going to get started on doing a little bit of housework and cleaning and a little bit of fall decorating. So I am getting all geared up for fall because fall time is my favorite time because, here where I live, if it's winter, it is super cold outside. And if it is fall, it's mild and perfect. And we have been having the most lovely fall-like weather. So definitely going to get with it with the fall decor today. We're going to start off by cleaning my coffee table. My coffee table is very loved, very used, and a lot of times it's very messy. You're catching it at a good time. Usually there's a couple glasses sitting there, my reading glasses along with sunglasses, my keys. It just happens. When you live in a house, you clutter, and that is just normal. Okay, that is just normal. Can we just take a minute just to say that I need a new apron? I am going to wear holes in this thing if I don't find another one, and I need another one. I love this style of apron, and I know that you all are going to be like, does she wear anything else when she does these videos? And I probably don't. And if you are looking for someone who looks glamorous while cleaning, this is probably not your channel. I wear old clothes when I clean, my hair in a very, very, very messy bun, no makeup. I am a woman on a mission. I am always in a time crunch. And so therefore we're just going to get it, right? So when I decorate for fall, I have like a lot of miscellaneous type fall decor. So, I kind of clean the area and then I kind of play around with where I want everything to go. I end up putting it a little bit different every single year. And this year I think that I'm going for minimal, but just enough. Just enough to bring in some of those fall colors, the fall foliage, if you will. And I'm just trying to keep it really, really simple. I love this time of year because I think the colors really are my most favorite. I like the darker colors, the deep oranges, the browns. I just love that. Also, I mentioned that I do like the wardrobe a lot better. I love sweater weather. Yes, you've heard it here. Sweater weather. And I like, light coats, raincoats, boots. I love all that. Hats. That is my style, I think. I like bootcut jeans. Those are my favorite. That's my favorite way to dress. So this time of year is definitely the best. This is my fireplace shelves. My mom designed this and my dad built it. And this is not a usable fireplace because there's no chimney on the house any longer, but this is actually the original fireplace, and it does give my living room a lot of character by having it. So we painted it, and my dad put the shelf in. That below it, the black right before the shelves, that is concrete. So we painted it as well. I would love to change out the mantle into something more like rustic wood, but right now it's just not in the bank account to do that. But definitely something that I would like to do in the future. So I am cleaning off this little table over here, and I had a regular lamp over there, but my mother gave me this. It's like a Victorian lamp that she hand painted, and I've been wanting to scoot it over where it needs to go and actually turn it on and be able to enjoy it. I don't leave it on all the time, but I did for this video so you guys could see how pretty it was. And it lights up in the bottom as well as the top. So if you don't want like a real bright light, you can go with the one on the bottom. I am burning pumpkin spice wax melts in my wax burner this particular day. I want all the fall vibes, fall food, fall decor, fall smells. I want it all. And so I am just dusting away and just doing some placement of my fall decor. Have you all got your fall decor out yet? Or am I the only one? It's funny because I went shopping and I feel like they've got Christmas and fall all out at the same exact time. Exact time. So if you see me kind of walk out of view, it's because I have these two like Rubbermaid tubs and it houses all of my fall stuff. And although I put majority out, there was a handful of things that I just did not even pull out of the box this year. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep it very clean and very minimal. But I was really happy with the outcome. It was, like I said, it was just enough. One thing I did not get in this video was I did hang a fall wreath on my front door. I did not show it in this video, but in upcoming videos, I promise I will show that for you. Not only am I decorating this particular day, but I'm also making plans for our trip because my husband and I are going to be going out of town. And so I'm one busy lady, one busy lady. And so I know that I've gotten a lot of requests for this type of video, and I aim to please all of my subscribers. And I do hope that you all are inspired to kind of start planning your fall decor and your fall deep clean. I did not get to clean the house probably as deep as I had wanted it to, but one thing in particular is the wall underneath that window behind me there. I could not believe how dirty it is, but that is my front door, and I think it's just the equivalent of dust from coming in and out, in and out, in and out. The mud bench, I have to admit that I put things on it that don't belong there, and I am cleaning that off today. I love this mud bench. I knew that it was going to work for Ronnie and I because we do take public transportation, and that way our backpacks, our shopping bags, his white cane, hats, anything I take to the gym, all of that goes here. Our bus tickets are down below in the baskets. Everything is organized. Not only do I know where it's at, but if you are new to my channel, welcome. My husband, I'm legally blind, but my husband is completely blind. So I have learned that everything to have a place and everything in its place. And then he knows exactly where everything that is necessary is. And so I'm trying to equip the entire house that way. I have not got to that point yet, but I'm working on it because I want him to be able to find the ibuprofen and the Tylenol and anything else that he might need. Now his stuff on a regular basis, like, you know, his everyday, his medications, his deodorant, you know, things like that, his book player, his everything. He knows where that is. But like if we were in a pinch and he really needed to find something, I want it to be accessible to him. What if I come down with, you know, and I'm sick and I need his help? He needs to know where things are. So we are working on that. I love my spin mop. I got it out again today. I did the hot boiling water thing with vinegar, some eucalyptus oil, and it smells divine. And I am scrubbing down that wall that I told you is so super dusty. And I decided obviously I did not get it in the video, but I went up the stairs with it. And in a future video, especially probably getting ready for Christmas, I can't believe I'm saying that. But as for getting ready for Christmas, and probably when I have company, because I know I will, I'm going to be scrubbing all this woodwork, which, you know, surrounds my entire living area, and get all that clean and scrub down. But the spin mop method is awesome. I cannot say enough that whoever started this definitely came up with something good. So now I am just mopping, and looky there, I'm normal. I just knocked my pillars over because my mop got hooked to it. Yes, and then I moved the couch, and then I realized there was dead flies behind the couch, so I have to clean that up too. And I could have cut this out of the footage, but to be honest with you, I wanted you to see that I'm a real person and real stuff happens. I find real dirt, I find real debris in my house. Our house is definitely lived in, and I get to set back up and let's get it started again, and it's fine. But I was having a little bit of a meltdown trying to get all of this done. But yeah, there you go. I got it mopped, and I'm going to keep on going. But yes, if you don't have an O-Cedar spin mop, I highly suggest it. In fact, if I can find it on Amazon, I will link it down below for you all that might be interested. Now I'm going to make some dinner. I've got a pound of ground beef, and I'm cutting up some green pepper into this. This is one of those recipes that is so simple that I'm a little embarrassed to even share it with you because it is so easy. But this is my go-to quick and easy chili. This is just how I throw it together. Everybody has kind of like their go-to chili recipe. So I love green pepper in mine, obviously, as you can see, as much as I'm putting in there. I think it really adds a lot of flavor to it, and I just let it cook up with the ground beef. And I obviously drain the drippings off of the ground beef because I don't like a lot of grease in my chili. So let me know, what do you add to your chili? I know a lot of people will do potatoes. Some people do corn. I'm just a basic chili eater. You know, I don't do anything super fancy, but my husband loves this chili when I make it. So now I'm adding in some chopped, or I should say diced up onion. I'm going to cook that in there with the green pepper and the ground beef. And, you know, surprisingly, a lot of people don't like onion. So if you don't like it, just leave it out. I'm going to add in 2 cans of the kidney beans. Again, add the kind of beans that you want to use. In a pinch, if I don't have kidney beans, I have used black beans. It does not matter. It still comes out really, really delicious. But I will say, in preference as to like texture, if you are a texture kind of person, I like the red kidney beans. And that's just because probably that's what my mom used to use all the time. And that's what I like. So if I have fresh cans of kidney beans, I will use that. I am adding in a jar of salsa. This is medium salsa. If you really want to zing it up, use hot salsa. And then I just clear it out with a little bit of water. I'm showing you the jar there. Really inexpensive. This meal actually lasts us for about 3 days, and you can do different things with it. I'm adding in a chili packet that I bought. I'm going to stir that in. This adds a lot of thickness and a lot of flavor to it as well, and gives the chili that really deep chili color. And then I'm just going to place a lid, and I'm going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. When it's done, I have popped out my baked potato. I'm going to put the chili on top and add the toppings to this. Some cheese, some sour cream, and we have a delicious dinner. And oh my gosh, I can't say enough about this meal. It is so good. I'm ending this video showing you a little bit of a close-up of all of my fall decor that I put out in this video. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the things, and I hope you are having fall-like weather where you live. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to Heidi's Home, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And thank you so much for watching, and I will be catching you again soon. Bye, guys.